We're seeing grandstanding now by political parties, part of the Mahayuti. The BJP now making it clear that they have a stake on the Maha Chief Minister throne. BJP saying very clearly that by natural justice, simply by the sheer numbers that the BJP got, it should be our Chief Minister. Now, there has been a lot of talk that while the final decision will be taken by the BJP top brass to essentially send across a message to the party workers that, look, you're being rewarded with the Chief Minister post because of the numbers you've received, the BJP should get to hold on to the Maharashtra Chief Minister throne. But you never really know what, in fact, the BJP top brass is thinking. What's very clear here is that while you're seeing all of this muscle flexing by all sides, a decision is yet to be taken.
आपको लगता है कि इस बार भी 2022 को जिस तरह से एकनाथ शिंदे को मौका दिया गया था, उस तरह का कुछ सोच विचार हो सकता है?
देखो, नैसर्गिक न्याय तत्व के अनुसार तो हमारा ही सीएम बनना चाहिए, मगर अब ये निर्णय कौन हम करते हैं क्या? ये निर्णय तो माननीय मोदी जी, अमित भाई करते हैं। तो उनके निर्णय होने के बाद ही उसकी क्या संभावनाएं है वो स्पष्ट रूप से बताई जा सकेगी। अभी तो मैं कुछ इस पे कहूँ, इतना अधिकार मेरा नहीं है।
Okay, so we'll get you more reactions really, but the BJP at this point maintaining that while the final decision will be taken by Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Shah, the BJP believes that this is a seat that should come to them. A lot of updates that are coming in right now from Maharashtra, because for reason the suspense continues over who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Let's quickly round up for you all the updates. Sources in the Shiv Sena informed India Today that they are firm on the CM post. According to them, the BJP pledged the top post to Shiv Sena before the elections. Reportedly, during the meeting, it was decided that BJP would fight on maximum seats, but Eknath Shinde will continue to be the Chief Minister if Mahayuti wins. Amid the growing suspense, Shiv Sena spokesperson Sanjay Shirsat has claimed that Eknath Shinde should only become the Chief Minister and that the Deputy CM post is simply unacceptable. Meanwhile, Devendra Fadnavis has been called to Delhi by the BJP High Command. The Maharashtra BJP unit is pushing for Fadnavis to become the next Chief Minister, but it is the top leadership of the BJP that will take the final call. Okay, images coming in right now of Devendra Fadnavis there, making his way to the national capital. Right now, he's at the airport. He's going to be flying to Delhi and meeting with the top brass. Will this then pave the way for a decision to be taken by the BJP High Command? Is this a meeting where Fadnavis will be told that, look, you're the next Chief Minister? Or is this a meeting where he will be told, sit aside, let Eknath Shinde become the Chief Minister? That suspense continues to mount right now. But this evening, Devendra Fadnavis is expected to be in the national capital. And maybe by tomorrow, we should have clarity on exactly who the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra will be. And remember, even as Devendra Fadnavis makes his way to Delhi from Maharashtra, you've got Eknath Shinde all set to hold a press conference in just about an hour from now at 3 p.m. Okay, it looks like Fadnavis is getting set to brief the media, so let's cut across to that reaction. Okay, we'll try to get you the statement really from Devendra Fadnavis amid all of this speculation on whether he is going to be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister. We'll get you the audio of what exactly he's saying. Let's try to cut across now. Our apologies for that poor
भाजपा आता स्थानिक स्वराज्य संस्था सोबळावर लढणार आहे.
rating. The message that he sent out earlier that Mahayuti seems to be repeatedly saying that there's no question of any sort of rift or divide over the CM throne, and that all of them will sit together, sit across the table, have a conversation and decide who will be the next chief minister. But even for that to happen, the BJP has to go ahead and appoint observers for the state. That's the clear process really for the party. They appoint observers who come down to Mumbai, speak to the MLAs, a legislative party leader is chosen, and before all of that, of course, it's made clear on which party gets the CM throne. Once that clarity comes through, it's very clear on who the name or who the face is going to be. But at this point, no one really divulging which way this will go. At 3 p.m., Eknath Shinde will be holding a news briefing. You just heard from Fadnavis, where he says that this is a decision that will be taken collectively and a decision that will be taken with no rift, no divide whatsoever. Having said that, you've got all sides pushing hard, piling pressure, saying we want the chief minister to be from our party. Needless to say, at this point, the fight is essentially between Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. It's one of them. And that's because the NCP has said that, look, we are out of the race. Ajit Pawar reportedly has also endorsed Devendra Fadnavis. So because the allies are on his side, he's got that backing, the numbers also to back him up, considering that the BJP is the single largest party in Maharashtra right now, has got that massive majority and massive mandate. Things definitely are tipped in Devendra Fadnavis' favour. But one factor that works in Eknath Shinde's favour is the fact that there are BMC elections approaching, and there, of course, the Shiv Sena's clout truly matters.